Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be really exciting because I will be demonstrating the Arduino Starter Kit that was actually given to me by my college. An Arduino kit is basically a beginner-friendly toolkit that includes various electronic components and sensors, everything you need to learn coding, build circuits, and create cool projects like robots, automatic lights, and IoT devices. It includes several essential components that let you create everything from small DIY projects to advanced prototypes. Now, this kit might have a limited number of parts, but it's a great foundation to start learning. And remember, there are plenty of other Arduino modules and sensors you can easily find in nearby electronic shop or online stores if you want to expand your setup. If you want to order the same Arduino kit, you can order it from iemrobotics.com. So let's explore every single part one by one and see what each of them does. As you can see, there are many parts present in this box. So we will dive into each segment one by one. So let's begin with the first segment of the Arduino kit that includes these four core components. Let's begin with the heart of this kit, the Arduino Uno R3 development board. It's the brain of all your projects. This small board reads signals from sensors, processes them, and controls outputs like LEDs, motors, or displays. It has digital and analog pins, a microcontroller, and a USB port. We connect it to the computer using the USB A to B cable. This is how we upload our code and power the board. Then we have breadboard, a reusable testing board where we can connect wires and components without soldering. It's perfect for experimenting and modifying circuits quickly. And here's something really interesting, the bridge rectifier. This component converts AC alternating current into DC direct current. It's commonly used in power supplies to provide stable DC voltage to your circuit. So if you ever want to power your Arduino project directly from an AC source, this small part ensures your components get safe and steady DC power. It is one of the most fundamental electronic components, small but very powerful. Let's dive into the segment 2, basic sensor modules. Now let's talk about some of the basic sensors that make your Arduino interact with the world around it. Ultrasonic distance sensor measures distance using sound waves, ideal for obstacle avoiding robots or parking systems. PIR motion sensor detects human motion, great for automatic lights or security alarms. DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor measures room temperature and humidity, perfect for weather monitoring. LM393 LDR sensor module detects light intensity, used for automatic streetlight projects. KY037 sound sensor detects sound levels. You can make a clap, switch, or sound reactive lights. These basic sensors are the sensory organs of your Arduino, helping it to sense motion, distance, sound, light, and temperature. Next, let's move to the sensors used for safety and environment-based applications. MQ2 gas sensor. detects gas like LPG, methane, or smoke, ideal for gas leak detector project. IR flame sensor detects flame or fire using infrared light, useful for safety systems and fire detection robots. Infrared obstacle avoidance sensor helps your robot detect and avoid obstacles automatically. Single channel 5-volt relay module works like a switch. It allows your Arduino to control high voltage devices like bulbs, fans, or even small motors. With the relay, you can turn almost any ordinary appliance into a smart one. Let's move on to segment 4 of the Arduino kit, health and motion sensors. Some advanced modules that make your projects even smarter. MAX30100 or MAX30102 pulse oximeter sensor measures your heart rate and oxygen levels used in fitness and health monitoring devices. MU9250 9-axis sensor combines gyroscope, accelerometer, and magnetometer, detects motion, tilt, and orientation. Great for drones or gesture controlled gadgets. Double T, double 2B capacitive touch sensor detects touch like buttons on touch lamps or modern gadgets. These modules give your projects a modern interactive feel, adding touch, movement, and health tracking. Let's move to segment 5, output and display modules. How does Arduino show us what's happening? That's where output modules come in. KY008 laser module emits a thin laser beam used in alignment tools, tripwire alarms, or simple laser pointer projects. MAX7219 8x8 dot matrix LED display displays scrolling text, numbers, or animations, a great way to visualize sensor data or messages. A few lines of Arduino code can turn this into a digital information display or even a mini scoreboard. Let's move on to segment 6, communication modules. Here's one of the coolest parts, the RFID RC522 module. This module uses radio frequency identification to read cards or tags. You can build access systems like a door lock that opens only when the right card is tapped. These are the same kinds of systems used in offices, metros, or hotel key cards. And last but not the least, segment 7, connectors and accessories. And finally, we have these DuPont cables, also known as jumper wires. They come in three types: male to female, and female to female. In our kit, we only have male to male and female to female. They are the connecting bridges between your Arduino sensors and breadboard. Without these, no circuit is complete. So, this is a male to male jumper wire which has both pins and at both sides. And this is a female to female jumper wire. All these are female to female, which has socket type structure in both ends. In male to female, we have one side pin type structure and one side socket like structure. And that wraps up everything inside my Arduino Starter Kit. Even though this kit was given by my college and includes a limited number of modules, it's more than enough to get started with hands-on electronics and embedded programming. If you want to take things further, you can always buy additional sensors and modules from any local electronics shop or online platform. The possibilities with Arduino are literally endless. I will be making more videos soon where I will connect some of these modules and build working Arduino projects step by step. So make sure to like, share and subscribe for more amazing tech content. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.